What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254, man. Tune in for another one. It's cold in the beach out here, but real short video to let you know what we got left on the Broham, aka the trifecta. So, bumper fillers, which we already got. We need impact strip for the back. As y'all know, we already got that. We already got that there for the trunk. Round and round we go. Bumper filler there, got that. Top in decent condition for now. Still got to put my 2-prong on there. My drill tip. As you see, those sweeps a little cracked. I mean, not terrible, like going all the way, but that is something that I wanted to look at just to make sure. I mean, eventually I'll probably need them, but for right now, I think we'll be alright. Fuck is caught up, bro. This weather is making me so fucking pissed off. Like I don't know what the fuck you want to do. I put the other swing on, 2-prong drill tip. But yeah, those sweeps don't look bad. I was looking on eBay, I seen some shit. I like, do I need to pull the trigger or nah? Those seals is not necessarily like a right now thing. So I'm trying to gauge and diagnose what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, what can wait. Daughter's little shindig coming up this year, so I need to save some bread. Now right here on the front though, it probably needed more than anything because it's pretty much gone, non-existent. It's like on the front half of the door, but not the back half. So good with it's good with the window sweep look like, but with the actual door seal on that front door, we need to go ahead and get that coming. Only thing is they sold in a pair, but what I'll do is I just go on and get the front. Fronts. I got a shampoo. I think I got a shampoo machine. If not, I might buy a shampoo machine. I send my boy MC the Shiznit, grab one, and I might try to tackle this carpet myself. Get that cleaned up. You know how we do. DIY gizang. Those sweets look good. Those seals look good on this one. And then on this one, see, this is how the door seal is supposed to look. The driver door ain't got nothing, so we'll just get the front door seals, and then we'll go from there. Like I said, sweeps is cracked up, but that's something that can wait. Also need to go ahead and get whatever we need for the upper lights. We'll be good to go. All the trim is on them. And then when it comes to the front, of course, we get the bumper filler got it, hood emblem got it, grill got it, new bezels got it. I did see a set of those that's in the bumper. I think they're like $30. I might go on there and grab them, knock them out the way. It ain't too much of nothing. Yeah, man, overall, there ain't a whole lot left, y'all. That thing is finito. said, the door seals. So really the only thing that's like a right now thing is the door seals and door seals for the front. Window sweeps can wait. Bumper filler for the back. I mean, it's a little crack, but shit, that's. I mean, have you seen some of these cars? Say, fuck that, nigga. Have you seen my other car? My other car impact strip don't even go all the way across like that. So shit, we Gucci on that by itself. But yeah, that back one definitely gotta be touched. Front and rear impact strips. Put all our bumper fillers and all that shit on there. We're gonna be good. So I'm gonna wrap this bitch up, cause nigga, my hand about to freeze. So identify your weaknesses, make it sure life is all about choices, shoebox, and productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.